Yo, yo, we live. Oh, shit. Yo, yo, we are live right now. Yes, I know you guys see the trade. I know you do. Okay. I'm about to go over everything right now. You about to see why my entry is what it is. And all that good stuff. We just warm up. Get right. Alright, make sure. We have been in drawdown all day. We have been in drawdown all day. Okay? Oh, shit. I just want y'all to know that. Well, I don't think that's true. We haven't been in drawdown all day. I think we may have been in profit for a little bit. No, we have not. Okay, so where are we at? Right here? Okay. So let's look at the executions. So we bought here at 4,725. 4,725. Okay. We have I think it's 50. It may be more. And a 25. Okay. Okay, so we were in profit, yes. Okay. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to get this all right. Maybe I should be more prepared. Oh, my goodness. Okay. So, let's bring out this AOI. Why does it always do that to me? Okay. So, as you can see, I have to hide the position too. I'm sorry. Do you guys hate me? Because I hate me sometimes. All right, so. I'm sorry, that was funny. All right, so like I said, this was our entry right here. But this was not our original entry. Today, like I said yesterday, I said today I'm going to be more aggressive. I'm going to be more aggressive. I'm not going to be as passive as I have been these previous days, okay? So, our first order was right here, guys. Where's Oanda? Oanda? Thank you. All right, so our first order was right here. 4582, okay? That was going to be our first entry. 4582. Lord, man. Okay. So it would have been 4582. And we would have taken that, we would have had the same amount of what we wanted. 500, 250. Okay. Now, we still would have had not gotten that, but we would have never gotten to this trade, but we would have gotten into this trade. So, this is more so what I wanted to happen. But the thing was, okay, let's get into why I took this trade. So, like I said, we're back in the AOI. We're back in the AOI. I was in the hour time frame all day. All day. I didn't get out the hour time frame. I think I did go to the daily, right? I think I did go to the daily and looked at it, and I was like, okay, well, today may be a retest day, whatever, or something like that. I don't know. It might be a retest day or some shit. Like that's why I was thinking, going to buy if it dips, right? And if it goes below that AOI, cuz I want to say there was a fair value gap. Let's go to the hour time frame and do a bar replay back to about right here. We're going to slow it down to about 1 and we're going to play. Okay, hold up. I wish it said what time it was. Okay, so, oh my God, pause. Okay, so, trying to think of when I was looking at charts because I got to work at 5 and I was in the car. So, I originally believe I wanted to see, when I saw this, I thought it was going to keep going up and fill this fair value gap right here and just keep going. But why was my first order right here? Because this was the fair value. Yes, this is the fair value gap right here, guys. Okay, perfect. I knew I wasn't crazy. Okay, so this fair value gap, when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, it's not gonna fill me in if I go too low. So I'm gonna put order up here. That's why I had moved it. I was like, I'm gonna just put an order up here so I know I'm gonna get filled. And it got filled, and I was cool with that. Let me make sure I'm not capping and make sure that I'm talking about the right time. Okay, yeah. So I put it in at 4:32. So I was looking at the charts before I went to work. So we put it in. So yeah, this is the original one. I saw this right here. This was the first one. And then I got into a market order a little above that. $4,725, which is a little above this area. Right here. But for some reason, it said I was in profit, though. Or was this? Oh, yeah, this is this is the replay. I hate when this happens. Okay, yeah, so boom. So what I thought, what I believed that was going to happen ended up happening. Okay. We wouldn't have got filled on this order. we wouldn't have got filled on this order, and we would have been able to at least get, I think this was like 20 something odd. Yeah, 20 something pips or something like that. But I just didn't take profit. I was being too greedy. I was being way too greedy. We could have had 35 pips. And man, that's usually what I get to. That's usually what I get to, man. But we got greedy. Greedy. Man, I'm showing all my flaws this month, huh? Greediness, FOMO. Okay. Yeah, that was greedy AF, I'm not gonna lie. I could have got that 35 pips easy. That would have been the easiest trade this week. Seriously. And now it's just looking kind of grim, you know. So man. Ugh. But my stop has held super good. I mean, I don't know. I've been holding. I was down about 20 pips. We have a couple more hours in the market. Still an area of interest. Anything can happen. It's Friday. We have this right here, news at 7. So I think the market's I don't know what the market's gonna do. It was very bullish. It was bullish on that 7 a.m. candle down here. Right here. This was the news from yesterday on that candle. And this is the support resistance zone, man. Gosh, I should have brought this. Man, guys. You see, I didn't even do anything. Like, I just go to the left and I'm like, oh, I should have had my TP in here. Man, guys, next week is going to be our best week. I promise you. Next week is literally going to be our best week. It's going to be our best week. I can just feel that next week is going to be our best week. You know, I really just can feel it. I can just feel it. There was so much volume on this candle. Now let's show the greed. I kind of didn't clear up what I was trying to say. What I was saying was my original take profit from the trade that I got entered in was a 50 pip take profit. It wasn't a 35 take profit. The 35 take profit was from the trade that I had original, then changed my trade to the one that was 725. And I would have never been, I would have been in profit, but I wouldn't have been in profit from that 20 pip move. So I kind of got mixed up right there. I just wanted to clear that up for you guys. Start on the 17th, right? Loss. There's 3 losses. 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness. So if you look right here at 4:32 a.m., my first limit order was 9,500 units at $1.04, 582. That was the first order. But since I was, like I said from the trade recap yesterday, I was going to be very aggressive, So I got in at 4,725, which is why I got to see that 20 pip profit. But when I got into that trade, I didn't put my take profit at 20 pips. I put it at 50. And that was greedy of me. Like I said, we should have been going for 1-to-1s and stuff like that. I put my stop loss at 25 pips. and I should have put it at 25 pip take profit. But you know, if I put it at 25 take profit, it still wouldn't have had it triggered. So either way, we would have been in this drawdown. But you know,